Welcome to Seller University. Here we will introduce and explain how to use the managing tool Seller Central. Seller Central is a managing tool used for product registration, order management, exchanging messages with buyers, and for checking seller performance. Many of the tasks necessary for selling are done using this managing tool. Be sure to bookmark it. Seller Central can be accessed through email you receive after creating an Amazon Central account or by internet search results. On the right is the login screen. Enter your registered email address or phone number and your password. Then click on the yellow Sign In button. These are the browsers and the operating systems for Seller Central. Please note that the system may not operate properly if your browser is not updated to the latest version. The most recommended browser for Seller Central is Firefox. Now let's take a look at the most basic features of Seller Central. This is the top page for Seller Central. You can access the main features of the system from the tab at the very top of the page. We'll explain in order from left to right. The Inventory tab has all the features related to selling and product information. For example, Manage Inventory for managing information of stock and product information, Add a product for selling new products, Inventory reports for a quick view of all the products you have out, Manage FBA shipments for using Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. The Pricing tab has features related to adjustment of prices. For example, Pricing Dashboard will recommend price adjustments for products with prospective increase in sales. Manage Pricing lets you make changes to your pricing. Automate Pricing is a tool that automatically adjusts pricing according to your own rules and price limits. The Orders tab is a feature that helps you manage the orders you receive. Manage Orders notifies buyers of order details and shipping information. Order Reports lets you download your order information in text file format. Another example is the Manage Returns, where you can check return requests from the buyers. The Advertising tab is used for advertising your products sold on Amazon. With Campaign Manager, you can register for a paid service called Sponsored Products. If you want to set up a limited time offer, you can register on Lightning Deals. For more details on Sponsored Products, please refer to the document entitled Sponsored Products Setting Up on Amazon Sellers University. The Reports tab contains reports of various types. For example, the Payments report displays your account's payment information such as beginning balance, next scheduled date for transfer of funds, and order and refund totals. Another feature is Amazon Selling Coach, which offers customized information according to each seller. You will also find Business Reports, which you can check the daily number of views or shift in sales on a graph. Finally, the Performance tab. This tab has features related to customer ratings and performance of the sellers. Sellers can check their performance on customer satisfaction and feedback. You can find other information useful for improving seller performance, such as the free online course, Seller University. If you look towards the right, you will see this search bar. Simply type in the keywords and you can search for related tools and help pages. For example, if you type in listing fee, these related help pages will appear. Move one to the right and you will find Messages. You can exchange messages with the buyers. The Settings tab on the very right is where you go for initial settings. For example, sellers can set up their account information or shipping fee. Next, let's take a look below. Important information such as orders and your account's payment information can be accessed from either side of the top page. You can check the details with the click of a button. In the middle, you will find important notices and news updates from Amazon. As mentioned earlier, the customized recommendation feature called Amazon Selling Coach can be found here. The Seller Forums at the bottom left is a message board for sellers to interact. Inquiries for technical support can be found on the right side under Manage Your Case Log. All of the top page information can be customized to suit the seller. For example, you can fold the page by clicking on the upper right or move the position by dragging it. This concludes the explanation of Seller Central. We hope you found it helpful. Instruction details for other features such as product registration can be found in other courses offered by Amazon Sellers University. We hope you will expand product sales by utilizing the features offered on Seller Central. Thank you for selling on Amazon.co.jp.